Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we will be talking about the multiple hiring that is coming for the fresher. So we'll start from the Barclays, and this company is hiring for the developer position and location is mentioned here as a Pune. So as you can see, like multiple key points is mentioned here. Like you should be having a knowledge of object-oriented analysis, design concept, Java, REST API, JE, Spring Framework, HTML, Angular, React. So multiple key points is mentioned here. So you can go through this position and try to check this out. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the Johnson Control. This is for the data scientist position for the associate software engineer. Okay, so in this also Pune is the location, so you can also look into this. A bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, BE, BTech, MCA, MCS or related field with some coursework around data science and machine learning student are eligible to apply into this position. Knowledge of Python, SQL and Azure is essential. Familiarity with Agile framework is a plus point for you. Troubleshooting and debugging skill, you should be having a knowledge of at least. So a passion for learning and growing in a fast-paced environment. So these all things is mentioned here. So you can also look into this and try to check this out. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out for the position of project coordinator from the STEAM. So you can also look into this. Location is mentioned here as a Gurgaon, Haryana. So you can try to check this out and try to apply into this position as well. So simple form is there. You can directly fill out your all the detail here only, and you can be able to apply into this position. So try to check this out. And then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the QSS. This is for the Power BI developer for the Noida location. So you can also look into this. Experience with other BI tools such as Tableau, Click and similar things is mentioned here. Azure data services like Azure Data Factory, Azure SQL database, etc. is the requirement. Understanding of data security and governance is the requirement. SQL, Power BI. So these all things is mentioned here. So you can also look into this. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out for the position of L1 support for the tech ops from the TerraPay. So you can also look into this. 0 to 2 years of relevant experience in production support is the requirement. Should have BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, ME, MTech, BSc or computer, MSc in computers or degree from a reputed university. Okay, so basic knowledge of working on Windows and Unix platform, command in good understanding of Linux command. You should be having knowledge of scripting language like Bash, shell scripting or Perl is the requirement. Protocol and packet analyzer like TCP and all these things is mentioned here. So you can also go through this and try to check this out. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the entity data. This is for the trainee position, so you can also go through this, and multiple things is mentioned here, so you can read this out and try to apply into this position. So then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the Capgemini. So this is for the associate business advisor position. So the requisition code is mentioned here, so you can also if you want, you can go for referral as well. So try to check this out. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the Paytm. This is for the software engineer for the intern position. So you can this is for the 6 month, and location is mentioned here as a Bangalore. So currently pursuing or recently completed a degree in computer science, information technology or related field student are eligible to apply into this position. Good understanding of Java, Kotlin and Android SDK is the requirement. Familiarity with Android Studio, XML layout or RESTful API is the requirement. Basic understanding of version control like Git is the requirement. Good problem solving skill and communication skill. So these things is mentioned here, so you can also go through this. Then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the OpenText. Okay, so then we have a hiring. This is coming out from the AlgoSec. This is for the development engineer position for the India location. So you can also look into this. Computer science student or equivalent degree. CGPA is mentioned here as a 8.5 and above. Okay, so maximum 0.5 year of studies remaining. So 7 semester student can also apply into this. Knowledge of relevant experience with programming language such as C#, C++ and Java is the requirement. OOPS concept, TDD, software architecture design patterns is the requirement. HTML, YAML or JSON will be add an advantage for this position. So you can also look into this. Simple form is there. You can directly fill out your all the detail here only, and you can be able to apply into this position. So try to apply for all the position whatever I have explained right now. And if you have any queries or anything, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you out. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.